Alright guys, so what we're gonna do is install these zinky tails, and it's 8mm bolts, nuts. Take forever to remove. I'm going to be putting my seat belts back in. I took these out a while back because I was switching colors, and so I don't know what happened, but these are going to go back in so that I can actually have 3 seat belts instead of the one in the middle. Alright guys, so in order to install these rear seat belts into the rear area, we're gonna have to remove the rear seat, and each seat has 2 tabs that you pull straight up and up. So this tab, you just pull it, it's supposed to be like that. There it goes. And then you make sure these are all lined up, push them through, and then you pull out like this, just like this. That's it. Side. Show them how to do it. There you have it. All done. Driver's side, center belt, passenger side. Actually ponied up for a remanufactured alternator. How beautiful that thing is with freaking beautiful little pulley. Mine took a dump. I was running my brother's for a while, but today we're gonna go have a little meet, and so I just said get the right part, get it done, so we can have a good day. So here it is. Here's a part number from O'Reilly's, and don't let them give you the B or C or 7C. I think he was trying to give me a diesel one, and luckily I found the actual part number before I went there, showed him the number, and then he was able to find it. He was searching in all the wrong places, so stay strong, bruh. Tell him what you have.